Welcome back. Apathy and negligence in the national capital claimed another life. We're talking about a youngster from Ghazipur who came to Delhi to fulfill his dream of becoming a civil servant. He came to Delhi to prepare for and clear the UPSC exam and to serve the country. But today his family is just left thinking what could have been. We're talking about Nilesh Rai, a 26-year-old resident from Uttar Pradesh who came to Delhi with a lot of hopes, but negligence and apathy crushed that dream. Nilesh was returning back home when he slipped and fell. As he grabbed an iron gate for support, he was electrocuted and instantly killed on the spot. An onlooker soon rushed to him to help, only to realize it was too late. Delhi government has ordered inquiry into the death of a 26-year-old. Atishi also directed Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar to suggest policy measures to ensure there is no recurrence and provide ex gratia to the family of the victim.
Actually, I saw his body moving, so I thought that he might be alive. So I rushed. There was painting work going on the third floor. So we grabbed the wooden ladder and then we were trying to just stick to, we were trying just that he gets this side and then we can somehow grab his body and somehow pull him from towards our side. That's what we were trying to do.
Now, this is not a one-off instance. In the last 1 year alone, Delhi has witnessed a series of such instances. In April this year, a 12-year-old died after coming in contact with a telephone wire in Chhavla area of Delhi. Just about 10 days ago, a 34-year-old was electrocuted in the Yamuna Vihar area. Days later, a Delhi cop was electrocuted after coming in contact with a high-tension wire. But when you ask those who are answerable, it's the same story. The netas are busy pointing fingers at each other, but do they have the answers? Today we ask viewers, is this what India deserves? Don't you deserve better?
इस पर एक इंक्वायरी ऑर्डर करी गई है। मैंने चीफ सेक्रेटरी को आदेश दिए हैं कि इस पर जांच भी करी जाए कि कौन जिम्मेदार है इस प्रकार की घटना के लिए, और दूसरे एक्स ग्रेशिया रिलीफ के लिए आदेश दिए। पहले ये समझना पड़ेगा कि इलेक्ट्रोक्यूशन वहां पर उस स्पॉट पर क्यों हुआ है, उसके बाद ही इस पे आगे की कार्यवाही करी जाए।
Death of 26-year-old UPSC aspirant Nilesh is not negligence. It is state-sponsored murder. It is criminal, and Aam Aadmi Party government is responsible for it. Just a few days ago, when Delhi was completely waterlogged, almost 5 to 6 people lost their lives. But what is the priority of Aam Aadmi Party? Press conferences, blame game, and rescuing their chief minister from allegations of Sharab Ghotala, who continues to shamelessly be the CM from inside Tihar jail. Today, Mr. Kejriwal must resign.
ये जो मौजूदा सरकार है वो पूरी तरीके से फेल साबित हो रही है। वो अपनी ड्यूटीज पूरी तरीके से कर नहीं पा रही है। आपने देखा होगा कुछ दिन पहले कुछ बच्चे नहर में डूबकर मर जाते हैं और आज उसी प्रकार से एक बच्चे को इलेक्ट्रोक्यूटेड हो जाता है। तो ये समस्याएं सरकार के कैसे नजरअंदाज की जा सकती हैं, मुझे समझ नहीं आता है।